Hi everyone, this is Hema from Sai Filing. Today I am here to discuss about advance tax. These days everyone like my friends, family, clients saying that they are paying more interest while filing income tax returns. So they are asking how to avoid this interest amount. Usually government will charge interest under three sections like 234A for default in filing income tax returns and 234B for delay in payment of advance tax and 234C for deferred advance tax payment. Today we will going to discuss about section 234B and 234C. These two sections relates to advance tax. First, let's see what is advance tax and for whom it is applicable and what are the due dates for payment of advance tax and what if they don't pay advance tax and what if they pay late and for whom the advance tax payment is not applicable. Let's see what is advance tax. It is a tax we have to pay before the end of the financial year. For whom it is applicable? Whose total estimated tax liability is 10,000 or more in the financial year, they have to pay advance tax in every year. Next, let's see what are the due dates for payment of advance tax. You can pay advance tax on installments, but you have to pay advance tax on the year when you earned. There are 4 installments for payment of advance tax. First installment for the period from April to June, we have to pay 15% of advance tax before 15th June. Next period from July to September, we have to pay 45% of our tax liability before 15th September. And the third installment period from October to December, we have to pay 75% of our tax liability before 15th December. Next, fourth installment period from January to March, we have to pay the entire tax liability, that is 100% of our tax before 15th March. Next, let's see what are the circumstances of late payment of advance tax. If you are not paid 90% of advance tax on your assessed income, you have to pay interest on every month or part of the month under section 243B of Income Tax Act. Next, let's see who is the exempt from payment of advance tax. First, senior citizens whose aged 60 years or above and the salaried employees who is falling under the TDS and whose TDS deduction amount is more than the tax payable on that year. Please consult us. We will help you to pay advance taxes and for filing income tax returns also. Thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe the video, share, like. Thank you so much.